Hello, my name is Kate Kramer. I'm an automation engineer in the marketing department here at Omron. In this video, I will be showing you the mobile manipulator, which is an integration between both the TM collaborative robot and the LD mobile robot, as well as going over some of the other mobile robots that are part of Omron's fleet, which include the LD60 and LD250. I'll be going over the technologies they use, talking about some of the features, and describing typical applications and how they can be used to create a broad range of automation solutions for certain industries. I will also go over some of the key benefits they provide and key differentiators that separate them from other mobile robot solutions. First off, I'd like to point out that the mobile manipulator and other mobile robots represent only a small part of Omron's wide range of robotic technologies, which include parallel robots, collaborative robots, scalar robots, and much, much more. But for the mobile robots in particular, Omron's AIVs, or autonomous intelligent vehicles, are extremely versatile and can be adapted to perform a wide variety of tasks and applications. Our mobile robots increase throughput, reduce machine dwell time, eliminate errors, improve material traceability, and allow employees to focus on tasks that require complex human skills. What's more, unlike traditional AGVs, our mobile robots navigate by natural features of the facility and require no extensive facility modification. Regarding the mobile manipulator, it pairs our Omron TM collaborative robot with our LD series of mobile robots, allowing for pick and place with mobility to anywhere in your plant. Move material from station to station, or pick parts from shelves and deliver them to key operating areas. A better solution for machine tending that increases flexibility and efficiency with a fully autonomous and collaborative mobile system. The mobile manipulator is a fully autonomous system built by integrating an Omron AMR and an Omron TM collaborative robot arm. It combines Omron's easy-to-use software with intuitive implementation. This unit's modular design and small footprint are easy to support and add payloads to. The ITK allows easy integration to WMS and ERP systems with your choice of protocol: REST, RabbitMQ, and SQL. CAPS 2.0, or Precision Drive. A typical application for a solution such as this would involve picking and placing or transporting of packaging material and final goods, essentially moving items of the product or packaging to their next location, from warehouse to the production line or operator station. The mobile manipulator, as well as the rest of our mobile fleet, can be used in most manufacturing environments and industries. Now, some of the main benefits you will get from using this solution or any of our mobile robotic solutions are minimizing planned downtime, having the flexibility to redeploy from one application to another, transporting items from station to station or line to line that is next in the production process. No need for facility modifications or navigation either, having the ability to control an entire fleet of mobile robots consisting of multiple sizes, all running on the same system and software. What makes Omron's mobile robotic solutions different than others like it is that Omron was one of the very first mobile robot companies in the world, which brings our customers more experience and stability in the platform. All of our mobile robots can run on the same software, and CAPS 2.0 can be added to maps created by any Omron AMR. So adding more units to an existing fleet of mobile robots doesn't require extra mapping. Omron's mobile solutions can drastically increase productivity in the manufacturing process, and logistics operations. Our mobile solutions boost throughput, reduce machine dwell time, and help eliminate errors and improve overall material transport. Today, Omron has the largest install base of AIVs, or mobile solutions, in the manufacturing space. Our mobile robots are a versatile technology that can be deployed in thousands of applications across multiple industries. If you'd like to learn more about Omron's mobile manipulator or the rest of our mobile solutions, the technologies they use, and solutions around flexibility and customization, please visit our website at automation.omron.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope it was helpful.
To optimize automated material transport, it's essential to have the right equipment for the job. When it comes to lighter loads, there's the Omron LD60 and LD90. More demanding jobs might require the Omron LD250, and heavy jobs require a robust payload capacity. Introducing Omron's strongest mobile robot, the HD1500. The HD1500 is an advanced autonomous mobile robot specifically designed to transport heavy payloads up to 1,500 kilograms. Like our popular LD series, the HD1500 is built for industrial automation. The HD1500 allows movement of large payloads and reduces the need for forklifts, ultimately doing more with less equipment, safely. The HD1500 also represents innovations in mobile robotics. Its new architecture features lasers that provide 360-degree safety coverage, as well as an onboard programmable logic controller, or PLC, to easily interface with custom attachments. And created with Omron components, the HD1500 is built to be easier to service and maintain. State-of-the-art sensors allow for precise pickups and drop-offs. Optimal route planning and dynamic obstacle avoidance create a safer work environment. The HD1500 also comes with enhanced software, including standardized code for common jobs, which can shorten programming time during startups. During operations, superior navigation capabilities and fleet management allow the HD1500 to streamline productivity by avoiding bottlenecks and traffic jams. Fast-paced manufacturing environments require speed and flexibility. With dynamic obstacle avoidance, the HD1500 can navigate facilities and route around human workers, creating a workspace where people and machines can work together in harmony. Heavier payloads, built-in controller, improved sensors, route planning and object avoidance. The Omron HD1500 autonomous mobile robot offers the most advanced performance and safety. The HD1500 by Omron, your partner in automation.
Hello, my name is Danielle Belskis, Automation Engineer in the Automation Center Department at Omron. In this video, I will be showing you Omron's 3D bin picking demo with our new FH3D vision system with the Omron TM collaborative robot. I will be going over the technology it uses and then highlighting its key features, typical applications, and how it can be used to create a broad range of automation solutions for certain industries. I will also go over some of the key benefits it provides and key differentiators that separate it from other solutions. First of all, I'd like to point out that this solution demo is a great representation for not just Omron's vision technology, but our robotics technology as well. The technologies used here in this demo are the FH Vision System, the FH3D camera, and the TM collaborative robot. Now how this operates is, first, the collaborative robot, when equipped with our new 3D vision camera, is able to pick up known objects with random overlapping positions out of a bin. Traditionally, this was difficult to automate due to shapes and orientations of objects. Next, the 3D camera locates objects and sends their coordinates to the robot, while the software makes the advanced calculations required for optimized trajectory to pick the objects. This combination of 3D camera plus collaborative robot could then be assembled on top of our mobile robot for full flexibility to pick parts from a row of multiple bins, placing them on a single sorted location for another part of the process. So, a typical application for a solution system like this would include automated 3D bin picking of objects with some 2D visual inspection capabilities as needed. For example, 2D code reading. This type of application is often found in the automotive industry. However, in actuality, it can be applied for any sorting applications where known parts would come from inside a bin. as long as you have the predefined material to be picked up, such as CAD data or required measured profile, it can be used for multiple bin picking applications. For the food and beverage packaging industry specifically, this includes applications involving bin picking and palletizing or packing of food and beverage products. Now, let's go over some of the key benefits you will get from using this solution and these technologies. With the Omron TM collaborative robot, one of the main benefits is the ability to pick randomly oriented products from a bin and place them in an orderly fashion, with the added capability of operating the robot in both collaborative and high-speed modes. Regarding the FH Vision sensor, it comes with an easy automated calibration process of the 3D sensor while mounted on a robotic arm, identification of 3D objects in a bin, and access to many of the FH Vision system's 2D inspection capabilities, including but not limited to 2D code reading for bin and part identification. What makes this particular solution different than others like it is that it includes a compact, lightweight, and fast FH 3D camera, which is installed at the robot arm instead of a fixed station, therefore reducing the footprint on the factory floor. This facilitates the installation and also provides more flexibility when acquiring images at multiple angles, while also being able to read additional information such as 2D codes. Even better, the unique active one-shot technology allows for 3D inspections in under a half a second, which is extremely fast in the industry. This demo showcases Omron's automation and flexibility solution for your robotic and vision inspection needs. With unique human-robot collaboration capabilities and a fast, robust 3D vision camera, it demonstrates how intelligent modular design can improve production time and flexibility. If you would like to learn more about Omron's TM collaborative robot with 3D vision bin picking solution, the integrated technologies it uses, and solutions around flexibility or customization, please visit our website at automation.omron.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope it was helpful.
どんどん世の中でその人口が減少している中でなかなか募集をしても集まらなかったりであるとか、それは直接生産する人もそうですし、エンジニアとして設備を作ったりするメンバーもそうですね。その人材確保っていうのがですね、一番、今大きな経営課題にはなっています。対応策としてはですね、技術部門を中心にですね、その自動化の加速っていうのをですね、行っております。
まずは、4人のチームを作りまして、搬送の自動化ということの取り組みをスタートしました。直接、ここに来なさいという、ティーチングをすることができるので、大きなレイアウト変更をすることなく、今の生産現場を使えるということです。人が来たことをちゃんと感知して、最適なルート、ぶつからないルートを自分で考えて移動することができるので、簡単に導入することができます。これまで人が運んでいたものの 75% をロボットが自動で運ぶことができるようになりました。でまた従来バッチ作業で人が運んでいたものをロボットが細かく運べるようになりましたので、従来よりも搬送のリードタイムが平均で 80% 短縮することができました。
担当商品をおよそ品目にすると4700品目、月産20台以下の品目が 80% 以上占めてまして、超多品種少量で多段取り生産と、段取り回数が非常に多いというのが大きな特徴になります。
まずですね、我々の生産でいう多品種少量生産、毎日300回程度のオーダーの搬送を行ってます。人間が出荷場所まで箱を運ぶということを行っておりました。特に少量多品種の特徴である少量という意味は、1箱の中に製品が1個しか入ってない、そのような効率のある箱も人が運ばなければならなかった。自動化の手段として LD を導入しております。
人の負担を減らしていく、人の精神的な負担、肉体的な負担を低減していく。で、人はより創造的なところでの仕事、新しい仕事にチャレンジしていく、そういう関係になるんじゃないかなというふうに思います。投資に対するリターンというのはですね、全く問題ないレベルに使いこなせると思いますし、実際に我々の工場でもその大活躍してくれています。すごく非常にいいソリューションであるというふうに思っています。
Hello, my name is Kate Kramer. I'm an automation engineer, part of the Automation Center here at Omron. Hello, and welcome to How to Automate Material Transport with High Payload Autonomous Mobility. The first thing I want to go over with Omron's system is flexible functionality. Omron's mobile robot solutions are extremely versatile and can be adapted to perform a wide variety of tasks and applications. We're also scalable, so we can grow with your business. So what is an AMR versus an AGV? An AMR is an autonomous mobile robot, and an AGV is an autonomous guided vehicle. AMRs are able to better navigate around their facility, require no facility modification, and are able to safely avoid obstacles without stopping. Traditional AGVs may encounter obstacles and stop or stall until the obstacle has been removed. In this video, I will be showing you the HD 1500 mobile robot, Omron's highest capacity and newest addition to our family of mobile robots. I will be going over the technology it uses, talking about some of its features, describing typical applications, and how it can be used to create a broad range of automation solutions for certain industries. I will also go over some of the key benefits it provides and key differentiators that separate it from other mobile robot solutions. First off, I'd like to point out that the HD 1500 mobile robot represents only a small part of Omron's wide range of robotic technologies, which include parallel robots, collaborative robots, SCARA robots, and much, much more. But for mobile robots in particular, Omron's AIVs, or autonomous intelligent vehicles, are extremely versatile and can be adapted to perform a wide variety of tasks and applications. Our mobile robots increase throughput, reduce machine dwell time, eliminate errors, improve material traceability, and allow employees to focus on tasks that require complex human skills. What's more, unlike traditional AGVs, our mobile robots navigate by the natural features of the facility and require no facility modification. With the HD 1500, our customers get an advanced, autonomous, intelligent vehicle specifically designed to transport heavy payloads up to 1,500 kilograms. It is designed for industrial environments and allows for the movement of large payloads while reducing the need for forklifts, ultimately doing more with less equipment and without sacrificing safety. A typical application for a solution like this would include a high payload transporting of materials or finished product, such as wrapped pallets, modular equipment, and sub-assemblies to and from the warehouse, or from one location to the next. This technology best serves all industries where manual labor is at risk of physical injuries and environments where the pickup drop-off paths would frequently change. The HD 1500 can provide value by delivering special tooling, standard grocery pallets, or specialty spill containment pallets needed to transport dense payloads to specific food and beverage, confection, and related commodity packaging industries. It can also reduce the potential spread of contaminants or pathogens due to operators no longer needing to move from one station to the next. Now, some of the additional benefits you get from using this solution. Aside from its large capacity, payload, including dynamic, intelligent 360-degree safety coverage with LiDAR technology, integrated automation controls, best-in-class navigation, fleet management capabilities, easy integration, and scalability. For safety, the HD 1500 also offers other features such as 4 emergency stops, audio warnings, LED visual warning, safety scanning lasers, and obstacle avoidance. Regarding fleet control, customers get the ability to manage the HD 1500 within their mobile fleets using Omron's Fleet Manager software. The software will still allow a diverse mobile fleet to be controlled with the same system while achieving high performance and compatibility, all while avoiding bottlenecks. Here's an image of our HD 1500. It is our largest unit to date and can carry 1,500 kilograms, approximately 3,300 pounds. You'll see some of the core features of the HD 1500 here, including its 2 opposite main safety lasers, 2 low lasers, e-stops on both sides of the unit, as well as indicators to communicate with any personnel in the area what direction the unit will be moving, as well as different statuses of the unit. You'll also see in the bottom right of the picture the charging contacts, which the unit uses to autonomously charge itself in under 30 minutes. Here is a picture with all of our lasers included on the robot, as well as 2 optional lasers. We have onboard lasers and other sensors, and these are used for obstacle detection. It's fully safety compliant, as with the rest of our mobile robots. We have safety-rated front lasers, a safety-rated rear laser, a front low laser, and a rear low laser. We also have 2 side lasers, which are optional and give the unit vertical awareness to avoid obstacles that may be overhanging or above the unit's 2 safety lasers. Path planning is based on vehicle speed of travel and can trigger an e-stop to prevent vehicle collisions. The vertical lasers work by detecting any overhanging obstacles or any voids that may be in the area. The side lasers create 2 light curtains for an anti-collision detection. This video demonstrates the HD 1500's dynamic safety zones. The safety zones change depending on where the robot is in an environment and how fast the unit's going and what the unit plans on doing next. You'll notice here that the safety zones increase with robot speed, and safety zone intrusion causes an emergency stop. The HD 1500 is only the latest in Omron's mobile robot family. Our family also includes the LD6090 and LD250. Each of the numbers on the end of the part number indicate the payload that the unit can carry. Omron Mobile Robots is a robust 24/7 operations solution. We're able to plan alternative paths, operate in a very dynamic environment, and take advantage of opportunistic charging. Other advantages of the HD 1500 Mobile Robot Enterprise come with Flow 2.0. Customers are able to utilize fleet simulator support by simulating HD 1500 in their own environment. We are also able to get a stopping accuracy of plus or minus 8 millimeters with 1 degree of rotation on all of our units using CAPS 2.0. We've also integrated a click-to-accept features, as well as we've upgraded the Wi-Fi drivers in our unit. Built with sturdy metal skins, the HD 1500 is robust and able to withstand heavy, unintentional external impacts. Onboard sensors are also well protected as the robot completes demanding tasks. What also makes this particular mobile robot different than others like it is that it can run on a map made by any other Omron mobile AMR. It can run for up to 9 hours loaded or 12.5 hours unloaded and will be fully charged in under 40 minutes. As the need for greater efficiency in the workforce increases, the HD 1500 offers a solution to automate complex and dangerous tasks. Organizations can begin to phase out forklifts and safely transport large pallets containing finished goods, voluminous materials in the food and commodities industry, and automotive frames. The HD 1500 demonstrates how you can automate material transport with high payload autonomous mobility. If you would like to learn more about HD 1500, Omron's mobile robot solution, and the technologies it uses, as well as the solutions around mobility or flexibility, please visit our website at automation.omron.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope it was helpful.
In today's manufacturing environment, it's more than just maintaining machines on the plant floor. Manufacturers are also being tasked with integrating multiple expanding technologies, while evolving customers' expectations are placing more demand on responding quicker and flexibly to product requirements. In addition, manufacturers are attempting to collect more data, while managers are looking toward enterprise-wide visibility for quicker decision-making. The goal today then becomes leveraging an architecture that's efficient, adaptable, and built for future factories to solve these challenges. Introducing the Omron SysMac automation platform, designed to seamlessly integrate advanced machine control, safety, robotics, vision systems, and enterprise connectivity to the plant floor. The platform focuses on flexibility and scalability by offering users a single software package, open industrial Ethernet protocols, and a holistic approach to control that integrates all the automation technologies into one ecosystem, designed with future factories in mind. By incorporating AI, machine learning, Industry 4.0, traceability, and predictive maintenance technologies. Today, engineers and technicians wear many hats due to the complexities brought on by expanding technologies on the plant floor. Often this requires integration across multiple vendors' programming environments and communication configurations. The SysMac platform provides an ecosystem that integrates all the disciplines of automation. From safety to AI to robotics, engineers and technicians can focus their time and expertise on systems and solutions instead of integration and configuration. At the core of the SysMac platform is the controller, one integrated controller designed to meet extreme requirements in terms of logic, sequence, and motion control speed and accuracy, while standard programming and open networks make it easy to build your automation needs. The machine automation controller integrates logic, motion, safety, robotics, vision, information, visualization, and networking under one software, SysMac Studio, providing a true integrated development environment. With integrated safety, manufacturers simplify and verify safety systems with ease. Safety integrated into one program with standard controls, along with validation and programming tools, streamline safety system design and setup. Integrated HMI within one SysMac project leverages shared tags and pre-built objects and simplifies visualization for control systems. Advanced features such as simulation and VB.NET programming enhance troubleshooting and application capabilities. Integrated robotics and controls optimize cycle design and reduce application development time. One processor for all, combined with EtherCAT communications, eliminate communication cycle time delays. With integrated vision, programming is simplified within SysMac Studio. Tight integration between motion and vision systems improves machine performance. With integrated motion, machine performance is maximized with EtherCAT communications and periodic cyclic tasks, while programming standards and configuration tools simplify implementation and reduce design time. With integrated I/O, manufacturers improve speed and accuracy for machine performance, including options for both Ethernet IP and EtherCAT with ability to easily mix safety and standard I/O. Technology isn't the only thing adding complexity to the plant floor. The consumer demands have also changed and continue to evolve. Trends such as mass customization, lot size one, and increased supply chain integration are requiring manufacturers and equipment builders to be more flexible than ever and will continue in the future. The SysMac platform simplifies manufacturing for users to implement the ultimate goal of creating a flexible factory. From SysMac Studio software design tools and simulation to scalable components for building modular machines, the SysMac platform helps users respond to their customers' and partners' new and changing needs more efficiently. Created to give you complete control over your automated system, the platform's SysMac Studio software integrates configuration, programming, monitoring, and simulation, saving you time in design and setup. The Smart Editor with online debugging helps create quick and error-free programming, while advanced 3D simulation and data trace reduce machine tuning and setup time. In addition, the SysMac library provides a collection of software functional components like function blocks for advanced applications, including motion control, cutting programming time. Support is easy with many benefits, such as a one-time license fee, free phone support, no maintenance fees, free 30-day trial, and Team Edition, which offers collaborative programming and version control. As we look towards the factory of the future, manufacturers are striving to make more data-driven decisions, with an impulse to collect as much data as possible and hope that something magical happens. But the true challenge is capturing meaningful data that is actionable. The onus falls on machine builders and automation engineers to get data from machines securely, quickly, and with integrity. The SysMac platform is inherently built for data and analytics. The platform's architecture, multidiscipline control, and superior processor technology provides time series data intrinsically. At the heart of the Omron SysMac platform is its architecture, which leverages two open industrial Ethernet protocols. We have the best of both worlds, Ethernet IP and EtherCAT. Ethernet IP is very flexible, which makes it great for sharing data between many applications, while EtherCAT provides optimal performance and ease of use at the machine level. In addition to this, I/O link capabilities provide an easy way to collect data from sensors, giving us more information. All three of these networks converge within the SysMac controller as a central data and control point, with one place to look for status monitoring, control, and diagnostics. Solutions for direct SQL connectivity, OPC UA, and MQTT function blocks make it easy for automation and OT folks to provide data in a format that IT groups are looking for. When the application demands the speed and responsiveness of edge computing, the AI controller provides anomaly detection that runs in parallel to the controls engine for real-time response within the control program. The SysMac platform is a multidisciplinary concept which allows you to simplify solution architecture, reduce programming, optimize productivity, and minimize time to market. Designed to better optimize your entire automation lifecycle, built on integrated control and data, all in a single software environment.
Hi, my name is Alexis Kelly and I'm a Technical Sales Associate here with Omron. I cover the safety products, components, and sensors in our product categories. Today I'm here to teach you a little bit about our floating blanking capabilities with our F3SG SR light curtains. This function allows a specified number of beams to be broken and to move freely in the detection zone of the curtain while keeping the safety outputs of your machine on. This is commonly used for flexible work environments that require safety but don't want false trips as you operate. The number set as the floating blanking beams determines how many beams have to be blocked before the safety outputs are triggered to the off state. You can do this by entering the number of beams manually or using the teach-in mode. Once set, this number of beams must be blocked at all times or the curtains will enter lockout state. This is the default setting and can be altered further if you want in settings. This feature can be used in combination with muting, fixed blanking, and warning zone functions at the same time with the SD Manager 3 software. I have it set up so that 4 beams can be broken and it will still keep the machine operating. And I have 2 allowable beams as well. So if I put in here 1 beam broken, normally this would keep operating. If I put in my whole hand, this stops the machine from operating. Now if I have 4 beams, up to 4 beams broken, you can continue operating. So if I had a conveyor here that was operating and it moved during operations, you would still be safe to work. But if a worker comes in walking on that conveyor, the machine's going to stop.
So when you open our SD Manager 3 software, this is the top page that allows you to change the fixed blanking, floating blanking, muting override. You can just view the incident light levels from each individual beam. But today we're going to do the floating blanking. So you select this icon here. The default setting is always going to be disable. So you would enable that. And I have mine here currently set to disable monitoring so that if the object leaves the view of the curtain, it's not going to turn it to lockout state immediately. This has it set at 6 floating beams, which means 6 beams can be blocked and the machine will continue operating. I'm going to change this to 3 beams, and I'm going to change this to 2 allowable beams, which means if the object only blocks 1 beam instead of 3, the machine will continue to operate as well. In order to put this to your light curtain, you're going to write configuration. And if you scroll down, you're going to see all the changes I made here are highlighted. So I'm going to write. And then I'm going to go to the monitor. And it will ask if you want to return to the detecting state. And then we'll go to the monitoring section where it has the incident light level chart. Here you can see all of the beams are not being obstructed. They are receiving full light. And I can stick my hand in the light curtain and the curtains are sensing it, and you can see which beams are being blocked. Now if I have just 1 beam being blocked, it is still functioning. But if I put my whole hand in the curtain, it is blocking more beams than I have allowed, and that will set it into the lockout state.
Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions, please check out our website at www.automation.omron.com.
Hello, my name is Keith Hill and I'm Automation Engineer at the Automation Technologies Department at Omron. In this video, I will be showing you the Omron Safety Services demo, going over the technologies it uses, and then highlighting its features, typical applications, and how the technologies can create a broad range of safety solutions for any industry. I'll also go over some of the key benefits it provides and the key differentiators that separate it from other solutions. First of all, I'd like to point out our Omron Safety Services demo features our broad range of safety technologies, which include our G9SP. We have an enabling switch, two-handed touch buttons. We have our OS32C light scanner. Have a couple various different door switches, and then we also have our light curtain, which is our F3SG SR light curtain, as well as a safety mat. These technologies combine to illustrate how you can safeguard your machine with industrial-leading safety technology that provides an additional layer of security that a machine needs. A typical application for safety solution systems like this can be anything deemed to have the need for machine safety for the protection of the operators and equipment, which means that any manufacturing environment and industry will benefit from these solutions. From food and beverage packaging to automotive, Omron offers safety solutions covering all stages of the manufacturing process. In addition to this, Omron provides a wide range of safety technologies with an IP69 rating. For the food and beverage packaging industry, these safety technologies can help protect certain areas around packaging machines, beverage filling, or creating product areas, or any application where there is fast movement, potential for crushing, cutting, and also pinching hazards. In such vertical markets as meat cutting, slicing, or baking industry that has high temperatures. What I'd like to do now is demonstrate our F3SG SR light curtain. Presently we have the emitter here, which goes and sends a light beam or multiple light beams out to this mirror. It will then bounce off of this mirror and then come back to the receiver. If for any reason that I go in and I block that beam, it will automatically go and shut the machine down, providing a safe condition. Along with the F3SG safety light curtain, we do have what we call the intelligent tap. The intelligent tap allows you to go and download programs to multiple light curtains. So if you're like an OEM and you have machines that you're making that are consistent of each other, you can go in, set up the settings into the intelligent tap, and then upload those settings to the light curtain. You can then take that iTap and move it to several machines and just sit there and upload to each one of the light curtains to program them if you have them programmed in a special way. Next, what I would like to do is go and demonstrate our safety mat. It is our safety mat, and basically a safety mat is you would put this on the floor in the point of where a safety condition is, and that if anybody goes and puts enough force onto the safety mat, like standing on it, that will also then go and shut down the machine. The third thing that we have on the demo here is our scanner. It's our OS32C scanner. The scanner itself has a 270-degree range that it can go and detect if someone walks into its range or not. What you can do is you can also program that. So right now we have it programmed so that that light beam is physically going to the dimension of our cage here. So that if I do block it, it will then go in and stop the machine as well, putting it into a safe state. The next thing I'd like to go and demonstrate is our mechanical key switch, which is our D4SL type product. What it has on there is it does have a stationary key switch which is mounted to the rigid portion of the frame. It then also has a key that is mounted onto the door itself. So if the door is opened up, that key disengages from the mounted switch, thus that will go and shut down the machine. If you then go and close the door, the door then goes, the key goes and inserts back into the switch, and then you can go and reset the machine to start it back up again. The next item I'd like to go and demonstrate is our E4G, which is our enabling switch. The switch basically has 3 positions that it can be operated in. It's either a release position, a holding state, or an actual, the third state is like a grab state. What this basically does allow you to do is you would use this in like a robotic application. So when it's in a relaxed state or a fully squeezed state, it will then stop the machine. But if you go in and you hold it in a half state, it will then allow you or enable the ability to go and run certain portions of the machine that are deemed safe to be able to run while someone is close to the machine, to the hazard. So that's one nice thing about this. You can also get this switch with a emergency stop push button on it as well. I'd also like to show you a couple new products that we have coming out with Omron. One of them is our F3SG SR light curtain. This light curtain is in a IP69K housing, so it can be used in a packaging or food industry. The next item I'd like to go and show is we do now also have an IP69K emergency stop. This is our A22NE series, and you can see that it does have a protective booting around it. It is only available in push in and pull out. The next item I'd like to go and demonstrate is our 2-hand control. You'll notice that on each side of the enclosure we have a push button. These are a capacitive type buttons, so there is no pressing force that you need to put to the buttons. It's just physically your hand gets close enough to it. You'll notice that we have these tied to this door. So if I go in and I actuate them and I release it too soon, it will stop the machine. If I then go and hold them in until the complete movement of the door, then it allows the machine to keep running. I can then go and use the switches to also bring it up. So basically having the 2 switches here prevents me from putting my hand into the pinch point area when operating. The next item I'd like to go and demonstrate is our CM series non-contact door switches. This is one part of it, and then the next part is up here on the movable item. So you would have one on the stationary side and one on a movable side. When the door is closed, you'll notice that those 2 switches go and align themselves. That alignment is important because there's magnets inside of that switch that are coated, and as long as those magnets match, then line up properly, then you can go and restart the machine. If for any reason that you go and open up that door, it does not see the magnet anymore, it will then shut your machine down. The last item I'd like to go and show you is our D4SL locking door switch. The door switch itself is in a lock state at this point. Typically on the machine you would have some type of a button, whether it be on a touchscreen or a physical button, that you would push to gain access or request access into the cell. Once the machine is in a safe condition, it will then unlock the guard door, allowing you to go in and open up the door. What you do then is you do have a key that you would then go in and bring this key key in with you when you are in the safety area. You can see right now with the key taken out of the switch, I cannot close the door completely. So once I'm done working inside the machine, I will then come back out. I'll reinsert the key into the position of the switch. Then that will allow me to come in and close the door, and then I could go over and restart the system and allow it to run. With the best safety technologies in the industry, you can protect your most valuable asset, your employees. You can also protect the integrity of your product from damage to the machinery, and litigation costs. Our solutions protect your people while preserving your productivity. And not only do we provide a wide range of safety products and technology solutions, but we also provide safety services to help customers determine the best way to safely guard and monitor the safety of their systems and workers. Omron's Advanced Safety Services is comprised of three main categories: safety education, machine assessment, and remediation services. With over 35 years of experience in the industrial machine safety, we are a leading resource of machine safeguarding services. Omron offers a bundle of services that enable OEMs and manufacturers to understand the safety requirements with our machine safety training. Avoid machine safety hazards in the design with our machine safety consulting. And reduce the legacy risks with lockout-tagout services, arc flash assessment, risk assessment, and safety solutions retrofit and remediations. We have a safety product portfolio specially designed for the food and beverage packaging industry, including IP69K products and a variety of safety controllers to manage individual machines to large machines. In addition, we have a safety services team that is highly experienced in the industry as well. Omron is unique because of its vast offering in safety products, as well as the ability to offer, suggest, and train how to safely guard systems. With over 25,000 machines made safe in 48 countries and 10% of the TÜV Rheinland functional safety engineers in the Americas working for us, Omron can provide everything needed in order to protect your team and factory from operational hazards. If you would like to learn more about Omron safety technologies, solutions, and services, please visit our website at automation.omron.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope it was helpful.
With the release of the first industrial automated mobile robot, Omron has created the world's most popular family of mobile robots, the LD series. Based on the same proven technology, Omron is taking our mobile robotics fleet to the next level of performance. The most popular family of mobile robots just got stronger. Introducing the Omron LD250, our newest and strongest autonomous mobile robot. The LD250 has the strength to expand what is possible in your automated system. The LD250 is built with sturdier metal skins, is capable of more demanding duties, and is also quieter than the LD90. Along with new software, clearance, and dynamic controls, the LD250's new payload capacity allows for a new world of possibilities. Omron's Fleet Manager fully integrates the LD250, providing more options for your mobile fleet. Guided by the Fleet Manager, LD250, LD90, and LD60 mobile robots work together to efficiently manage material flow within the facility. For automated material handling, Omron easily optimizes traffic management, payload assignments, vehicle routing, and fleet performance, providing a simple, elegant solution allowing a mobile fleet with diverse capabilities to work together seamlessly. As part of Omron's larger family of automation technology, the LD250 joins our automation solutions, including mobile, industrial, and collaborative robotics. This will allow you to load more, whether it's bulky objects or just heavy items. This means fewer trips, more efficiency, faster return on investment. From industry to industry, from application to application, Omron has the solutions to your most challenging automation needs. Now with capacity to dream even bigger. Bigger, stronger, better. The LD250 by Omron.